In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort in Excel but keep rows together. This is really useful when you're working with tables where each row represents a complete record, like a person, an order, or a product, and you want to sort by one column without breaking up the related information in that row. Let's start with the basic idea. In Excel, sorting always happens across complete rows, as long as you select all the columns that belong together before you sort. The most common mistake people make is clicking into a single column and sorting that column alone. When that happens, the values move, but the rest of the row doesn't follow, and your data becomes mismatched. So the key is, always select the entire table first. To do this, click on any cell within your data. If your table is continuous, with no completely blank rows or columns in the middle, you can simply press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac to select the entire block of data. Alternatively, you can click and drag from the top left cell of your table to the bottom right cell, making sure you include every column that belongs to each row. Once your full range is selected, go to the top menu and find the Data tab. In that tab, you'll see the sort options. If you just need a quick sort based on one column, click the A to Z or Z to A buttons. Excel will automatically ask if you want to expand the selection when it detects adjacent data. Always choose to expand the selection. That ensures the whole row moves together, not just the single column you clicked. For more control, click on the Full Sort button instead. In the Sort dialog box, check that My Data Has Headers is turned on if the first row contains column titles. Then, choose the column you want to sort by from the drop-down list. Pick whether you want smallest to largest or largest to smallest, and click OK. Every row will rearrange based on that column, but each row's data will stay intact. If you need to keep certain rows grouped together even when sorting, consider adding a helper column with a shared value or category for those rows, and sort by that column first. That way, the related rows stay next to each other. Always double-check your data after sorting to make sure everything looks right. If something seems off, use Undo immediately and try the sort again, making sure the whole table is selected before you start.